Hi guys, in this video I wanted to tell you about the difference between transactional keywords and informational keywords. So these keywords are a little bit different because they are used by people in different stages of their buying process. So the buying process is a stage that takes for someone to research the product, find what they want, and then buy it. And in different stages of this process, people use different keywords. So at the beginning, when they research the idea, when they're looking for the perfect product, when they're comparing options, they are using keywords such as best. Best beach towel or best beach umbrella or something like that. So they are not buying, they are not ready to buy, they are not at the stage to make a purchase, they are simply researching the options and they are using this kind of informational keywords. Transactional keywords are used at the end of this buying funnel, at this buying stage, and they can be a little bit more specific, such as buy cotton beach towel for kids or for women or for men. So they are more specific because people are looking for a particular item, and these are the transactional keywords. That's the difference between informational and transactional keywords. And for e-commerce businesses, that the difference between using them is transactional keywords will bring traffic from buyers. So people are searching to buy, credit card in hand, they are ready to make a purchase. If you optimize your website using transactional keywords, if you use them on your product pages and on your other pages, you will be able to improve your conversion rate. If you use transactional keywords, you can the informational keywords, you can use them on blog posts. They still bring traffic because if you create a blog post comparing products that you offer, like comparing those beach towels, you will still get traffic, but obviously it won't convert. So they are still great to get traffic from potential customers, and then you can obviously connect with them, get their email addresses, and obviously keep in touch via email marketing, and they might convert later on. But they won't automatically improve your conversion rate on your website. So if you want to improve your conversion rate, definitely opt for transactional keywords. And this is how we work, because we are SEO agency that specializes in e-commerce. And when we do keyword research for our SEO packages, we focus mainly on transactional keywords because we work with online stores, and our goal is to not only bring traffic, not only help them rank for the right keywords, but also improve the conversion rate. That's why our focus is conversion, is bringing traffic that turns into buyers. That's what makes Rock Paper Copy stand out among other SEO agencies, because our specialty is in e-commerce. So if you would like to learn more about the SEO monthly package, all the details are on my website, www.rockpapercopy.com/SEO. And it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.